Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. One of my favorite radios, the Connex 3300HP. This one for Tommy in Oklahoma, and it's a tune-up report. Over here, Tommy, got 10 watts across the top. Bam. That's high power, and that's low power. Okay, put it to high power again. Take a look at our 50 watt slug meter over here. It's going to be reading power right in the middle there, 30, 40, 50.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, and I'll put it on the air. See what's out there.